In this video, I am going to guide you about getting early bird parking rates on SpotHero. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the SpotHero app or website and log into your account. 2. Enter the location where you need parking and select your desired parking date and time. 3. Look for parking options that offer early bird rates or discounts, typically available for morning hours. 4. Select a parking spot with the early bird rate and proceed to the booking page. 5. Confirm your reservation details and complete the booking to secure the early bird rate. 6. Double check the pricing to ensure the early bird discount has been applied. 7. Enjoy your parking spot at a discounted rate for early arrivals. By following these steps, you can take advantage of SpotHero early bird parking rates and save money.